Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So another question I get all the time is like, how can you make a passive income online? And I'm going to tell you that online, as in like online marketing, I'm going to just cut right to the chase. You can't, okay? I'm sorry, but all these guys who have channels on passive income and don't do anything and make money while you sleep, no, it's bull crap. I can't swear on YouTube, but it's BS. You can't have a business online where you don't do anything. Now, let me clarify that. Once you set something up, then it is possible that it could be considered like passive. But if you do affiliate marketing, you got a ton of setup. You got to find the offers. You got to promote the offers. You got to tweak your funnels. You got to make sure everything's working before you even get it to a passive state. If you do e-commerce, which I do like a lot, that's my bread and butter, print on demand and e-commerce, it's not passive. No. You're going to work your butt off because you got to test like a madman or woman in order to find anything that works. So e-commerce, not passive at all. Now, maybe once you set things up, then you could just leave it and hope you get sales. Sure. Let's talk about Etsy. Passive, maybe in the setup and maybe once you get things going. But even then, if you're selling your own products on Etsy, it is not passive. You're taking orders, you're shipping products, you're updating orders. There's really, I can't really think of anything that is truly passive. Even trying to get a YouTube channel up to a whole bunch of subscribers so that you can have a big following and then you can launch a course or a coaching program. It's a ton of work. Like it is not passive in any way, shape, or form. So what is passive? To me, passive is something that makes money without your input, without your action, without your effort. So that's something like buying a dividend paying stock and having that stock just kick out dividends every quarter. And maybe you can reinvest those back into the stock to buy more or just take the dividends as income. To me, that's a passive income, but I don't know. Like, let me know in the comments if I'm missing any passive. I could be, I've been wrong before, but if I'm missing any passive income source where it's truly passive, like it's hands off, you just put a little bit of money in and then money just keeps them coming out consistently. I don't know of any that do that. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I hate that fallacy. I hate that people get sucked in to the passive income game and it just doesn't exist. Like the way that marketers work online is they sell you what you want, which is passive income. And then they'll sell you what you need later, which is, oh, by the way, to get to that passive income, you got a Mount Everest of work that you have to do first. So don't be fooled. Don't go into things blind. Don't go into things being gullible, like thinking that passive income is even possible. Because I'll tell you right now, if you want to make passive income online, good luck. I've been doing it since 2007, full-time online, and I've yet to find something that is truly 100% passive income. It just doesn't exist. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, join my group, ppc-coach.com/group, as well as go check out the old website. Got a lot going on over there. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.